Backyard Birds, Black-capped Chickadees, Hole in a Tree, video collection February to April 2024. Finding and cleaning last year's nest. So I thought on February 27. I could be wrong. Black-capped chickadee, I think female because it never sang, but it vocalized constantly as it flitted about. You can hear a male sing in the distance. It found its nest from last year and cleaned it out. For a few seconds it scratched out old debris, then it flew away and came back to work some more. That hole is about 10 feet above the ground. What's in it? Just tree innards. Comfortable chickadee nursery. What I saw on April 6 and on April 8 made me question my theory about nests and chickadee nurseries. April 6, 2024, 9:30 a.m. This morning, as on many days, 2 black-capped chickadees flitted about the trees in my downtown backyard. The hole in this tree greatly interests them. Is it an old nest? A food cache? Chickadees do store food. It's got something. Let's slow it down so we can see. It looks like dirt. What's it for? I don't know. Here are the stills for a closer look. April 8, 2024, 8:48 a.m. What is it doing in there? If it's building a nest, why pull the wool out? Why does it leave? Where does it go? Then return and work some more. Why not finish, then leave? It also did this the other day. It always does this. We need answers to understand this hole. Is the bird getting something or carrying something away? April 16, 2024, 8:30 a.m. Chickadee at the hole, reaching its head in, looks around, head in again. Its mate sings in the background. It goes into the hole. It's coming out. Let's slow this down so we can see. Does it carry something? It's coming out. Nothing in its beak. Nothing visible in its beak. Answers in the tree, April 23, 2024. I was wrong about the hole being 10 feet above the ground. That's about level with the 3rd floor. Zooming in, zooming in, zooming, zooming. Here's the hole. Guess who showed up just as I was focusing? You can see right through the tree. Compare that with the condition of this hole 2 months ago on February 27, 2024. February 27, 2024, Heart of tree can be seen inside the hole. April 23, 2024, the heart is gone and daylight can be seen through the other side of the tree. These funny little acrobat, the black-capped chickadee, who trims its toenails in public, are eating the tree. And I had thought they were building a nest.